Welcome students to your new science class. So last day, according to your offline class, we are going to continue with that one, and I hope everyone has gone through the offline class yesterday. So can anyone tell me what was there in the offline class yesterday? Let me see how many of you have gone through. Shyam Prabhu has already done his homework also, activity work which had been given in the offline class. And let's see, Rudra Aditya has, very good Rudra Aditya, you have also done, but it was 2 times. The work was given for 2 times, 5 spellings 2 times, right? So let's see what is the problem. Okay. Srijan, Tathagata, Siddhartha, Shyama Prabhu, Shrestha, Mayuk, Priyam, Ashmita, Granthana, Srijan, Anurag, Simran, Siddharth, Adhikari. Simran, offline class means on YouTube channel, the particular day when you are not having your classes, live classes, on that particular day you are having your offline classes which has been uploaded on the YouTube channel of Bardwan Model School. So obviously there is also one video which is a fresh video for that day's work. So that is the offline video, nothing it is different from that. So you just follow the YouTube videos every day, so that whatever the upgradation has been given to you, or the work or the video which has been uploaded by your subject teacher, you will get the new class over there, and you will get your activity as well as over there. Yesterday also I had given one activity, so as you are joining later on, so you don't know that one. Okay, so you just go through the video of English, Science, Maths, Hindi, Bengali, whatever your subject, second language is. All the videos are over there for your particular subject, so that your studies would not hamper any of the day. Okay, though the classes, live classes are not there, but you will attend your classes, you can continue with your studies. So school is doing the most of the part that students' studies are not hampered in any way. Either they have been provided with live class or not, but the classes will be there, and at any moment of time they can open the channel, they can go through the video, and they can continue with your studies. Okay. Okay, so yesterday I taught some spellings, 5 spellings of our helpers, and the activity which had been given was, I told you to learn the spellings, to do it by heart, and then after to write it in your copy for 2 times without seeing the spelling, right? So with the help of dictation of your parents. Now today I am going to play a game with all of you. Are you ready to play a game with me? Everyone is ready? Oh, no one is ready? You are not interested to play a game? Okay, then I will start with our regular studies. How many of you are ready to play a game with me? Okay, no emojis, Srijan? Yes, yes, I can understand your emotions, but no need to express that with emojis, okay? Because over here there are some protocols beta where students cannot use emojis, okay? So you can express your emotion without emojis, okay? Yes, so very nice. So everyone is ready to play a game with me. Today's game is riddle game. We are going to play a riddle game. I'm going to give you one clue, and you are going to tell me the particular particular professional who is hidden in this clue. Okay, so let's see how many of you can do it. So the first clue is, this is the person who wakes up early in the morning. This is the person who wakes up early in the morning and distributes the most healthy drink to every house. He distributes the most and the complete food to every family. So can you tell me who is that? Yes, here comes my answers, and I have received lots of answers, and everyone I can see. Today, Srijan is the first one, Priyam, Simran, Tathagato, Siddharth, Shrestha, Anurag, Shyamprabhu, Moyuk, everyone has given the correct answer. It's milkman. Milkman is the person who rises up early in the morning and he does his duty first. That is, he distributes milk to every family. Right? So here comes the first answer, that is milkman. Milkman. So very good, excellent. So 2 points to each of the students who have given the answer. 2 points to each of the students. Let's see now who is going to score the second point. Okay, so let's see. So the second one is, this is a person who can make useful things from wood. This is the person who can make useful things from wood. Okay, so I got the first answer from Simran, then after Shyamprabhu, then after Shrestha, and Rudra Aditya has joined them, then after Shushoban, Shohardo, Srijan, Tathagato, Siddhartho, Mayuk and Anurag. Everyone has given the correct answer. 2 points again. That means you have scored, all of you have scored 4 points. It's carpenter. Carpenter is the person who makes useful things from wood. He is the one who makes lots of furnitures. Not only furnitures, any piece of wood, if you will give him, then he can make something creative and something productive from that piece of wood, right? So that is carpenter. So here comes carpenter. Now let us see, let's go for the next clue. And what is the next clue? This is the person who is very respectful. He is having a very respected picture in our country. He is having a very honorable profession, and he is the only one for whom we have lots and varieties of food in our plate. This is the person because of whom we get variety of food in our plate. He is a very respectful and honorable person of the country. So who is he? He is, Simran has given answer, Shyamprabhu has given answer, then after comes, okay, so here Shrestha has given policeman, Shashmit has given soldier, Shyamprabhu has twice given answer, one is chef, one is farmer, Simran has given the answer farmer, Priyam chef, Shohardo chef, Ashmita farmer, Tathagato farmer, Moyuk chef, Siddhartha chef, Priyam again chef, farmer, Sanstita chef, Anurag farmer, Rudraditya farmer, Srijan farmer. So students, farmer is the person who is having very respectful and honorable position in our country. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Because farmer is the person who grows food for the country, and soldiers are the people who fight for the country. Okay, so these two, without them we cannot live safely, and we cannot live without food also. Otherwise we would have died with hunger, and if soldiers won't have been there, we would have died without safety, because anytime anyone would have attacked our country. So they are the people who, without any hope of returns, and very sincerely they do their work, right? So farmers, very good. So here is the farmer is the person for whom, he is the source from whom we get vegetables, grains, fruits, cereals, and then after we cook them and it comes to our plate. Okay. See, here comes farmer. Next comes, let's see. So farmer was quite confusing for all of my students. So those who have given the answer farmer, it's 2 points for them, and those who have given the answer farmer, they are scoring 6 points. Okay. Now let us see which one is the next clue. This is the person who works very silently. This is the person who works very silently in the society, does not get the appropriate honor and respect in the society. They does not get appropriate honor and respect in the society. But this is the person for whom our environment remains clean. This is the person for whom our environment remains clean. Okay. So here comes the first answer from Shama Prabhu, then from Simran, then from Sanstita, then from Ashmita, and here is very good. It can be sweeper, it can be garbage collector. Both the terms are correct, and everyone, those who have given the answer, they are scoring 2 more points. And at the same time, with this clue, we have to remember this. These are the people who are responsible to clean, who has been taken the responsibility to keep our environment clean. So we should respect them. We should talk to them politely. We should talk to them very nicely. Okay. Okay. Very nice. So it was a moral lesson. So here comes garbage collector. So here comes garbage collector. Moyuk Maji, please rectify your spelling. Moyuk Maji, please rectify your spelling. And even Srijan, TOR, collector. Okay. So let's go for the new option. And the new option is, so those who have scored up to here 4 answers correctly, that means 8 points. Again 2 points they have scored. Now the last one. This is the person who never thinks about his life. This is the person who never thinks about his own life. He always saves people when they are in trouble with fire. He always saves people when they are in trouble with fire. So who are these brave professionals? Yes, they are firefighters or firemen. We can tell them firefighters or firemen. Okay, these are the people who never think about themselves, but they always think about the people to save them from fire anyhow or then. Okay, so here comes our number 5, and that is fireman. So the first one is milkman. So those who have scored all the 5, they have scored 10 points. Okay, so all of you, many of my students have scored 10 points. So let us clap for yourself. Come on, clap, 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 clap. Come on, Srijan, clap, clap, clap. Very good, excellent. So everyone has done excellent job. So let us now go once with the spellings. M-I-L-K, milk. M-A-N, man, milkman. Next comes carpenter. C-A-R, car. P-E-N, pen. T-E-R, ter, carpenter. C-A-R, car. P-E-N, pen. T-E-R, ter. So such a big spelling and such simple pronunciation, right? Carpenter. Next comes farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Garbage collector. Garbage. G-A-R, gar. B-A-G-E, garbage. G-A-R, gar. B-A-G-E, garbage. Collector. C-O-L-L, collect. E-C, collect. T-O-R, collector. Garbage collector. And here comes fireman. F-I-R-E, fire. M-A-N, man, fireman. F-I-R-E, fire. M-A-N, man, fireman. So these are the next 5 professionals or 5 helpers which we learned today. We understood about their profession, we understood about how they live their life, what is the dignity they are having in the society, and we learned our spellings also. So students, I conclude my class over here today. I will be back again with a new class next day. Till that time, take care of yourself, maintain social distancing, use sanitizer, and if you are at home, use your hands properly, and without any work, don't go out of your house. Bye bye.